Okay guys, so I'm going to take you through in the next videos that are coming up in this module, targeting. This is a meaty section, and it is often the section most Facebook marketers get strung up on. So here's how I like to think of targeting. It's not saying this is the perfect way or the exact way, but this is how I like to think about targeting on Facebook ads. So we've broken it down into 3 segments. We've essentially gone from cold to hot. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with that sort of descriptive or adjective for an audience, essentially all it means is a cold audience is someone who has never interacted with your brand or your products or your Facebook page. In many cases, they don't even know who you are. They're totally cold. All the way through to a hot audience, which is someone that's in this situation has visited a sales page. So that could be a sales page for a program, it could be a sales page for e-commerce, whatever that might be. So this is how we're going to break down targeting in the upcoming training. So just so you guys are aware, cold audiences are obviously people that have never engaged with you. So that's where you're using your interests, your demographics, behavioral targeting. For example, they're interested in surfing, or they've recently went on a holiday to some place, or